Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and today we are going to plan out our monthly spread of July. So I am going to use this kit from Mazie McCrazy. I haven't used one of her monthly kits before, but I do PR for her and I absolutely love her stickers. I use them basically every week. So this comes with the headers up here, the date dots, some washi, the extra boxes here, some labels, the notes section over here, or whatever you choose to use. They have the days over here and then some icons. So I am going to pull in a few things, but let's just go ahead and get started. So this is the new 2021, the Flora. I got it in vertical. So some of the deco or the art on the monthly will probably show up, but let's just see how this is gonna go. So I guess you could put it on either side since it's not dated, but let's go ahead. I don't know if you start, like I said, I've never used her month, but they are removable, so. Okay, so see how it's gonna stick out a little bit? We are going to have to wipe that out, which isn't a big deal. I almost went with the, I don't even remember what it's called, the one with the words on it, the planner, just so I wouldn't have this deco. But I wanted this layout. Okay, so a little bit on this edge too, but again, not a big deal. Perfect. So once I just do that, and it looks normal. So we'll flip it over on this side. I'm assuming we'll have to do the top of this as well. And maybe on the side here, I'm not sure. Try this out. And I didn't go far enough. There we go. That works. All right, so now let's go ahead and put the days on. So that's really cool because then you could, if you like redate your planner for like a Monday start, you could do that as well with these. There we go. Now, July isn't going to be super busy with us. June was ridiculously busy, and I am glad we're kind of getting a break. We're even going to take a little vacation. I'm not sure where, but we are ready. We've just been busy, busy, busy. My daughter was in gymnastics, and both the boys were in baseball, so we were basically down at the field 4 nights through the week. There we go. And we were there from like 6 to 10 every day, so it got exhausting. All right, I'm gonna put in the date dots, and then I'll probably speed through that because no one really wants to see that. And then we will come back. Actually, let's do these little boxes and see how they fit. So me personally, I would like just one pattern for these extra boxes, but I mean, this works as well. And then you can use, like, if you don't want to fill in this extra space, you can put these like for a special day that you have, but I don't like this extra space up here, so I'm just going to use all 4 of these in here. Like I said, if it was just like one, like all of this was the red stars, I would think I would like that a little bit more, but like I said, it'll do. Not gonna fret about it, and it gives it some pattern, so that's nice. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna do the numbers, and then we will get back to it. Alright, so that is how it looks with the date dots. I think it cut off a little bit before, but that is how it is. Let's go ahead and get into the plans. So on the 4th, I have a photography thing. So I work for the Y. I do a dance class. I teach dance fitness. But they're also putting in, or they're also doing like a run in the morning. They do this every year, and then I take pictures for it. I'm going to cover that up, and then I'll have to find like a 4th of July sticker. I don't have one on me, but we're going to do this. And then I have these little girls with a little camera. So let's put that there. She's kind of big for this, but it's okay. So that's called Firecracker 5K. So I will be doing that. And then on the 10th, I have another session. This is a 50th birthday session. So it's like a 3-hour, yeah, let's go a little further down. All right, Brittany. And we'll use another one. And that is from 12:30 to 3:30. So I'll be doing that. And then also on that day, we have a get together with my family. Doing that. And then I'm going to use one of these Mazie McCrazy stickers. I think probably, I kind of want to use this one. The little eagle, she's pretty cute. Really big. So party at Cindy's, and that'll just be all night and with fireworks. And then what else? So I'm going on vacation, not all the way, but I'm taking off the 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, and I think the 14th, because we are going, what are we doing? I think Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we will be out of town, so I don't know what I want to put there yet. So I don't know. Maybe I'll use the washi strip, but I kind of want to put the washi strip at the bottom. So I'll have to find a stick. Well, we can do like a little car, but I don't know where we're going is what I'm trying to say. But we will be gone. I know we want to do like a zoo from out of state. I don't know where exactly, but we want to do like a zoo, maybe find a water park. So I'll just put this little car there, and then once I figure out where we're going, we will do that. But I want to take Friday to like clean and organize the house, get everybody packed, and then Thursday as well. So I'll be going back to work Friday, but we're only going to be gone these 3 days. So there's that. I'll put that in when we do that. And then the 18th, we are going to go kayaking with our neighbors. We actually live across the street from my cousin, so they just got kayaks. So we're going to be going there. It'll probably only be like a 4 or 5 hour trip. So we will go here. These little kayaks are from the sticker patch. So we'll put kayak with Brooke and Adam. Kind of go up there a little bit, that's fine. And then what else is happening? The 24th, put this over here, is the parade. So my town, this whole week, they're going to do like a fair, and we have, my town that I live in is actually known for like the circus. So the circus will be going on. It's all put on by kids. It's kind of amazing. And then for the parade, what do I want to put? I don't know what I want to put for the parade. Maybe one of these. A little flag, that's kind of cute. That is crooked as crap. Better? I don't know. Who knows? So we're going to do the parade there. And then I think the 25th we are going to go kayaking. But this time it is going to be with my sister and then my friend Shannon. So let's use a red kayak. So kayak with, what is dinging? What is that noise? Shannon. So we will do that, and then let's see, what else is in this kit? We can put our paydays in. So we get paid on Fridays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, crap. I have 4. I guess I could just write it in. So put that in there. And I'm going to have to find another one of these as well, which these come in her like weekly kit, so I'm sure I have an extra. So I get paid I think the light is hitting the wall. There we go. And then cruise payday. And then I'll find another one. There. So like I said, the circus is going to be this week, and depending on which days he works, because he works 2 days on, 2 days off, 3 days on, 3 days off, will depend on which day I get my tickets for the circus. And then for birthdays, I think I'm just going to use one of these. Let's use this light blue. I'll put it down here, like so. And then I actually have a birthday script. This is an old format, but that's from a Simply Smith stickers kit. So I'm going to put birthdays, and then these are her little doodle girls, and then I'll just put this birthday girl there. And then, so the 6th is Brooke, which is who we're going kayaking with. And then the 18th is Steve, which is my husband's best friend. Oh wait, why did I write that? And then my friend Eric, and then my cousin Steve. And then for this sidebar here, I think I'm going to use this big doodle. So you get one of these in your orders from Simply Smith Stickers, and I thought that would be kind of cute just to decorate. And then I'm just going to put a quote over here because I don't really have anything else. So let's say, you are... My writing is terrible. You are the artist of your own life. Don't. So there we go. We'll do that. And then I do want to put that washi on the bottom. Maybe if I have enough room, I should probably look this up. Okay, maybe these aren't as removable. Sorry guys, I have not done a plan with me in a very long time, so this is probably everywhere. Put that down like so. And I think that's it. Like I said, I'm gonna, well actually, let me mark these off. I don't use those. I'm going to figure out we're going on vacation, and I think that's all we have to add. But I am going to do a plan with me for like my weekly spread as well, so be on the lookout for that. Hopefully it's not as jumpy, but I do want to set up this. So before your months, you have this extra page, and I don't really have anything to do. Like I used to do like YouTube, like the video, upload, edit, plan, you know, all that over here. But I think I'm just going to use this to keep like memories because my memory is horrible. So I'm going to use one of these little memories. This is from Nicole Hutch Designs, and then just write like anything that I want to remember for the month over there. And then for here, I'm gonna, maybe I'll do my birthdays over here as well. I think, maybe, who knows. So I'll have to grab another one of the birthday scripts. But let's just write this down again, just so I can flip back. When I'm planning my weeks. And then up here is going to be my sticker kits that I use. So if I ever have a question or whatever on my Instagram, I know who, because I always throw my leftovers away. So I can just look back on here and see which store they're from. So in this big box, I'm just going to use a quote. This is just the quotes from the Happy Planner. And it says, every morning you have two choices: continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. So I'm going to do this. So in July, I'm going to kind of pick up on my working out. So I'm going to do that. And then for down here, I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do, but I think I'm going to order my, or put my sticker orders here. So like I'll do this shop and then the day they shipped, and then if I received them, just so I can kind of keep track of all my stickers. But I think that's about it for this video. That is how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, there will be a plan with me for the first week in this planner, and I'm super excited. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.